Hello everyone and welcome to the series of lectures on Python programming language offered by Undergrad Academy. In this session we will be looking at the data types in Python. So let's have a look at our today's agenda. Today we will look at what are data types and then we'll look at the types of data types. So what are data types? A data type in programming is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable has and what type of mathematical, relational or logical operations can apply to it without causing an error. So here we have the types of data types in Python. The data type name is string. It is used for alphanumeric characters, example hello world, Undergrad Academy, hi, hello, anything, in string form. We have another data type that is integer, used for whole numbers, that is 7, 12, 9, 99 or 1, 2, 3, but in integers. Another data type is float or the floating points. Number with a decimal point like 3.15 or pi, that is 3.14, 9.06, 0.13. Another data type is boolean, representing logical values like true or false. So let's have a look at all of them in our PyCharm. So here I have opened my PyCharm and I have declared x is equals to 56. In order to know the type of the data type, we have a function named as type. So in this print statement we have type of x. We will know the type of x. Obviously it is an integer because it does not have any floating point. Here I have x is equals to 56.4, which is an integer, and in order to know its type we will pass it into this function and the parameter name x. Here we have x is equals to Undergrad Academy, and in order to know its type, obviously we'll pass it in the print function and the type function. And here I have x is equals to true. Obviously it is a boolean type, so it will so let's run all of these. And so here I have the answer, that is class is equals to integer. For this x, class is equals to float. For this x, that is floating point, class is equals to string. For this x, that is Undergrad Academy, and the boolean for true. And you can also change it to false, obviously, because in boolean we have two types, that is true and false, so it will again give the boolean. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching us. Please take up some time to subscribe to our channel, kindly like the video and share it with your friends, and comment your queries in the comment section below. Goodbye, see you soon.